Hi, and I welcome you all for the today's session 4 in Unit 1 of Basic Principles of Multicolor Offset Printing Process. Let us see the topic which I am going to cover in this session. Today we will discuss the remaining parts of the faults and remedies occur in a multicolor printing process, along with some multiple choice of questions. Now we will understand the concept one by one. The fault of picture framing, why it is occur, the reason to occur the picture framing is plate exposure or processing is incorrect during the plate processing time. The solution is delete the fluid or hone in one small area of the plate where the picture framing is occur. If this is then stays clean, a plate exposure or processing needs to be altered. Even we can consult the plate supplier also. Before exposing, clean the plate entire thing, and even the exposure time and the processing means developing time should be altered. Next problem, hickeys. Due to the hickeys, it will occur. This is always runs a little dirtier due to the speed reduction of dampening foam roller on the plate. During the printing process, the dampening roller, if it's slowly applied onto the plate, then this may occur even from the removal of some impurities of the ink or the substrate will transfers down to the foam rollers, and then it transfers onto the plate. This is also the reason. Turn off the system need the for the job that is being printed. Until then it cleans. This is the solution. Plate wearing. Incorrect packing of plate and a blanket surface speed of the cylinder in relations to each other will cause the plate wear. The amount of pressure in between plate and blanket cylinder, if it is improper, then it may cause due to the packaging given behind the plate and blanket cylinder. Solution is checking with the manufacturer packaging specification how much pack has to be given to the plate and blanket in relation to the wearer. Necessary adjustments have to be done. Poor roller setting. The solution is ensure that all the rollers are driven by the plate is distributed slightly correctly on the plate as manufacturer specified. Next, chalking or powdering. According to the press proof printing, it is conditions that occur when the ink is lacking proper varnish for the paper on which it is printed. Even the paper varnish may also cause to this. To avoid this, even one more problem, the dried ink film has no binding to the paper and will scuff off and dry chat in the powder. This is also cause. Normally the ink plays the major role in this problem. Properly not adhering onto the substrate, even the ink formula is wrong, tackiness or viscosity, then we have to consult the ink manufacturer and additions of dryer has to be used. If drying formulations are more, then we have to reduce in ink or dampening solution. Then the pH of the paper or the fountain solution is too acidic will also cause this problem. To overcome this, normally the printers will maintain the pH solution, then the fountain solution should be maintained in 4.5 to 5 to the alkaline of the paper. Next, ink and water balance. The problem of poor inking or a dampening roller setting will cause the emulsification or scum. To reduce this, check the entire settings along with roller setting as per the manufacturer specification. Next, small window to work in, either running a dry or washing out. This may cause contaminations in the ink train or the fountain solution or both, due to the impurities of ink or the fibrous materials or some other contamination materials obtained during the press running, get it obtained from the paper or substrates that will stick onto the ink train or ink rollers that may cause. Even solution is thoroughly wash the rollers and treat with a high quality water, visibly deglaze as directed, clean and flush the dampening system with a system flush is directed. Next problem is glazing of rollers. The problem of glazing is caused by many different things, including ink residues left on the rollers, gum, resilience chemistry picked up from a plate, calciums, etc. Picked up from the surface stock by a product from the fountain solution and so on. This will also may cause, as we have already discussed. Solution. The best way is compact with this regular treatment of the rollers, thoroughly washed and high quality water is used to avoid the deglaze. Ensure that the foam rollers are locked and shimmed properly and prevent the sideway movements. Next is mottling. One of the most important problems occur in a multicolor printing process of sheet fed offset, not in web offset. Solid areas are not of uniform density, resulting in uneven appearance. A cloudy printed output in this is the image. So this is how it will occur, not completely 100% solid is printed. This problem originates in a paper that is partially uneven and the resulting uneven absorption and backsplit characteristics. The mottling is spotted on the paper after the printing process. If certain amount of cloudiness is already present in the coating, then the printing ink will be only partially absorbed. Even on the paper, coating may also cause. In a 4-color sheet fed offset printing, the printing results will backsplits on the printing blanket of the subsequent printing units. When an uneven penetration of printing ink is especially pronounced, this will become visible after the backsplit process occurred. Uneven print reproductions may also cause the cloudy printing manifest and greater severity of offset printing. The mainly causes are non-uniform stock surface due to the coating, then improper printing pressures, improperly set or worn foam rollers, improper ink and water balance will also cause, and worn blankets. Remedies are: first, consult the manufacturer about the change the stock or consult even the ink manufacturers for inks for less penetration strength, adjusting the printing pressure of the plate and blanket, then adjust the roller of the fountain and as well as ink. If it is necessary, then we can replace the rollers. Then adjust the proper ink and water balance. Even the damaged blankets will also replace this. Next we have the cause is slur. Slur is whenever geometry of half-tone dot changes. The printed images that appears to be displaced, then it may cause. The round half-tone dots assumes as an oval shape. Instead of round, the dot appears in oval, then slurring is occur. There are two kinds of slurring. One is lateral, and another one is circumferential slurry. The direction of printing is called circumferential. On the other hand, transverse of direction of printing is called lateral slurry. This effect leads to reduction in quality and reflect the processing conditions with the comparison of plate and blanket and the printing cylinders, as well as other mechanical influence may cause the slurring in on the printed sheets. Next we have doubling. The second image appears besides the first, occurs on the multiple units, not properly overlapping one over other may also cause this doubling. The causes are: one is improper packed in cylinders, the second one is loose or uneven or a soft blanket, excessive place in a gauge and bearing plate and blanket cylinder, excessive plate and blanket pressure may also cause. All the 4 units must have same packing thickness and same blanket and plate pressure. Even the coated stock, ink on the coated stock may also cause. Next, the improper gripper settings. Each unit must have proper gripping should be maintained. Then unstable papers, loose plates, loose, uneven or soft blankets. The remedies are: check the specification, adjust the cylinder, tighten the blanket clamps, adjust the packing or replacing the blanket if necessary. Next, adjust the manufacturer's specification according to the rollers and the pressure setting also. Even the case impression, check the roller strips of uniformly width, adjust the press to carry a less ink and adjust the water according to the ink and water balance. Proper gripper setting in each unit along with ink and water balances lowest possible level. Check the ECQ and tighten the blanket clamps and adjust the packing in each unit if necessary. Now we will discuss the multiple choice questions. The first question: how many reasons to call the picture framing fault? The options are 1, 2, 6 and none of the above. To answer this question, the clue is: normally the picture framing faults are occurs due to the improper of plate exposure or leakage on the rollers due to the contaminations occur in ink duct or fountain. Now you got the answer. To answer this question, what is the reason to cause a plate wearing fault? The first one is incorrect of packing plate or blanket, poor roller setting, or both A and B and none of the above. To answer, the clue is: one is the improper packing given to the plate and blanket, a over pressure due to it cause the metal wearing or the plate wearing. Even the second one is the improper roll setting may cause a different pressure between the plates and the blanket cylinders. Even the plate to inking rollers, this may cause. Next question: the dash has no binding to the paper and will scuff off as it dry, or the chalky powder. The options are dried ink film, the certain length, infinity, or none of the above. Normally, the clue is to this question. Normally, the ink film takes the major role. So, if does not binding onto the paper, then it may cause the chalk and dry on the ink and water balance will have caused the contamination in the ink dry or fountain solution or both. Whether these statements, obviously it will cause due to the contaminations occur in the ink duct or the fountain duct, that will transfer on to the rollers, and then again after that it applies onto the plate and same type blanket, and then it applies on substrate. The statement is true or false. That you have to answer. The clue I have already given. Next, gum and residues chemistry picked up from the plate will cause. The options are glazing of rollers, ink and water balance, and then powdering and plate wearing. Normally, that transfers to the first rollers that may cause unevenness. This is the clue to answer this question. The solid areas are not of uniform density, resulting in uneven appearance. Even the options are glazing of rollers, mottling, powdering, and plate wearing. This may also cause. Normally on the substrate, non-uniformity is occurred due to the what we call it as coating on the substrate, or even the ink and water balance if it is not proper. This may cause. Even the pressure and the packing will also cause. Even sometimes blankets gets damaged, then this will cause. Next, dash kind of slurring exist. There are, one is circumferential, another one is lateral. This is the clue to answer these questions. The option is 1, 2, 6 and none of the above. One is direction of printing, another one is transfer the printing direction. This slur may occur. Normally the round dot on the printed substrate will appear oval shape. Next, dash type of slurring appears in the direction of printing, as I already given the clue in the previous question. One is circumferential slurring, another one is double, and another one is lateral slurring and plate wearing. This may cause. Next, second images appear besides the first, occurs on multiple unit. The options are slurring, double, powdering and plate wearing. The clue is normally the gripper setting may cause, or even uneven setting of the plates or loosely fixed plates may cause, or even if the registration is not proper, even the pressure setting will also cause between the plate and blanket cylinder. This is the clue. I thank you all once again.